Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have some orders. So I have 13 cups to make and I just want to film the process. So this is one. I will be making three of these, three. So that's 12. And then I'm going to be making one of this. That's 13. Yeah. So right here I already cut out them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 cut out. This is another set. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another set right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the last one. I've not cut this one, so can you see them here? Already cut. This is one set, second, third. Okay, and these are the other ones. I'm still going to be cutting the upper part of the cap and then this one too. So I'm just going to start sewing them together. So guys, if you want to see any of the video we have two different ways of making this cap. So if you want to see the two method, or you want me to do a tutorial on how to cut and sew it, drop comments for me in the comment section. So I'm going to be doing all of that for you guys. I'm going to be doing a separate video for the first method and the second method. So this is the fabric I'm going to be using as my lining. I'm not going to be using a normal lining because I want it thick, so I'm going to be using this Ankara for lining. Of course it matches with this white and black one like that. So at this point I was done joining them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? Same thing for this ones and the same thing for these ones too. Okay, can you see? So can you see the 3 sets? I've not cut this one here. I will do that later, but I'm just working on this one. At this point I was done attaching my stay to my cap, you can see, and I was also done with some of the cap already packed. Remember I said I was making 13 caps. Okay, so this is the stage I am now. See these ones, I already attached my stays to them. Okay, so if you want to order for your own cap, you can order for it. We'll deliver nationwide. I was already done with these ones. My client also ordered for pocket squares, so we are making 12 pocket squares and 13 caps. Okay, at this stage I was done with my pocket square. I have a video on the channel already where I taught how to make this pocket square. So if you want to learn how to make the pocket square, go and check this video out. And here are the remaining caps. Each cap has its own pocket square, okay, except for the last cap, which is carton color and cream. Okay, so the other caps have their own pocket square. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment. If you want to order any cap, feel free to place your order. We deliver nationwide. Place your order and we'll deliver to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video and follow for more. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.